What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Aywa. Aywa. We are out. At masyadong mainit at mahangin.
The lockdown right here.
2 days before
The
lockdown. Labas muna kami, no? Alam nga naman.
We'll enjoy.
Enjoy life for 2 days.
Mag-ano kami.
Mag-ano?
Mag-IT.
Aywa? Ano pa?
Spanish bread.
Aywa!
Mag-ayake.
Aywa! Dami plano. Gusto ko nga naisip ko, Mare. Sana pala nagpasundo na lang ako kay Nabi kasi kaming dalawa lang ni Lian.
Most of all.
Hindi wala na si Papa. And most of all,
We'll enjoy.
yeah. Oh, ayaw sa mama. Ayan o. There you go. Against the wind. Ganyan. Oh.
And darkness.
Wala, nagdilaw na naman eh. Alam, Mari, bakit? Makapal pa rin. Makapal pa rin, Mari, kahit anong gawin. Alam! Ang ginawa natin ng isang linggo, Mari.
Turo ka dyan.
At nasa video din yan.
Nagkaganyan-ganyan din tayo last week.
Simple pleasures ng mga batuting. Costume ni Liam, yan pa rin ang costume ni Liam. I help you? Sige. Bahala ka mag-wet dyan. Video, syempre. Minsan lang. Oo nga pala, mag-picture nga pala, no? Picture ba gusto mo, Mare?
Kaya mo yan? Try? Ay, try.
Try. Yan mo na, sir. Ayan dito. May ano. Ayan.
So, ayan po. Tapos nang naligo yung mga batuting. Tapos ito, maglalakad-lakad daw kami.
Kaya ito, mag-walk.
Magkakape-kape. And here are the kiddos. Nakapagbihis na at nakakain na. Now time to walk. Ang people sa Marina. Parang mga langgam lang. At mga kalbo ang puno.
Debbie, look there. Debbie.
So, nakailang metro na tayo ng lakad, Mare.
Ilang rounds na kami.
Madaming people.
And that's life.
So, in 2 days, tahimik na
there's
naman ang
still
Kuwait.
lockdown. We're gonna stay at home during the weekends next week, or else
We're gonna go out early
early.
and go home early too.
Early.
Aywa. Sounds like a plan. But they said, close park.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So there's no place to go.
just the mall.
Just the mall.
Look at this. Look at this. There's auto drive. Here, auto drive. Hello everyone. We are in a cute sa entrance. We're in Ikea na. Ano? Anong hinanap mo?
Tinignan ko lang.
Ang gaganda. 6KD. Sale pala sila, Daddy. Ay. Sunset. It's 5:41. You can see how big Middle East sun is.
RPG event.
Good morning, world! It's 10 o'clock today, March 7th. At nandito na kami sa school. Schedule is changed dahil po sa current curfew na pinapatupad ng Kuwait, which is from 5 p.m. until 5 a.m. What's up, guys? Update for the first day of curfew again. It's 3:41 and we are still on the road. Ay, ginoo ko. Tingnan nyo ang traffic, mga beshi. Traffic! It's 3:41.
Daan pa kami.
Nakarating naman ang bahay. Ay, hindi pa pala. Nakarating naman ang lugar namin nang wala pang alas 5. It's 4:15 p.m. But look at this little boy. He's still sleeping. So, anuhin ko na lang mamaya mga 4:20. Gigisingin ko. Little devil and his fun with you with me. Little devil and his fun with you with me. I love it.
On the Moon. Written by Egan Stanley. What is it like on the moon? The moon seems far away from Earth. It is closest thing to Earth in space though. The moon goes around the Earth. It looks different every night. What is like it on the moon? The moon has many craters. Rocks fly through space, hit the moon and create craters. The moon has less gravity than Earth. People can jump high on the moon. The moon has almost no air. People cannot breathe on the moon. The moon has almost no water. People cannot drink water on the moon. The moon has very hot and very cold side.
It does not lose its water to the runaway greenhouse effect. But
Iliw, nasan ka? Bakit lumisan ka? Paano na puso kong nag-iisa? Covers PH.
Bakit ba nalungkot sa iyong mga mata? Kung kaya'y dinais makapiling sinta, di mo ba pansin ako sa'yo may pagtingin? Sana ang tinig ko'y iyong dinggin.
Kung ngayon hindi mapalagay, pagkat ang puso ko'y nalulumbay, sana ay makaingatan mo ito at tandaan mo ang iyong pangako.
Pangako
Iwan, pangako di ka pababayaan. Pangako hindi ka na mag-isa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa. Ang magkasama. Good girl. Very good girl.
Ay, stand up.
Yeah, she is. She's doing a very good work.
And this little girl, oh. How about you, Tito Fred? See you in the Philippines?
Bye, Tita. Bye. Okay.
Coming.
Coming soon.
Mama,
After 1 year.
take care. See you later.
Bye, Lola.